Sexual reproduction. Let us discuss about different types of asexual reproduction. There are binary fission, multiple fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. Binary fission. It is a process where two daughter organisms of equal sizes are formed from one parent. It generally occurs when environmental conditions are most favorable. That is, there is plenty of food, water, and a suitable temperature. Examples: algae, fungi, and bacteria reproduce by binary fission. Amoeba is a lower unicellular organism which undergoes binary fission during favorable conditions. Multiple fission occurs during unfavorable conditions, such as lack of water. A thick wall or sheath is formed around the amoeba. Then the cell splits many times within the sheath to form many small amoebae. This is called multiple fission. Budding. In this type of reproduction, a new organism grows in the form of a bud on or inside the parent body. This bud grows to form an adult. Each cell has a nucleus and the cells contain cytoplasm. At the time of reproduction, each cell sends out a small outgrowth from its cell. This is called a bud. Then the nucleus of the parent each cell divides into two, and one is sent into the bud. Then gradually the bud separates from the parent cell and grows into a new cell of each. In each, bud formation occurs very fast. Thus, in short time, a change of each cell is produced. Spore formation. In this type of reproduction, some plants produce tiny spherical cells called spores that grow into new individuals. The spores are so light that they can float through the air. Mushrooms, molds, ferns, and moths reproduce by this method. In mosses and ferns, the spores are produced inside special structures called capsule. The thick wall enables the spores to withstand unfavorable conditions. Regeneration. In this method, the parent body breaks into pieces and each piece can grow into a new individual. Starfish, planaria, etc. are capable of regeneration. Fragmentation. In this type of reproduction, the plant body breaks into two or more fragments or pieces upon maturation. Each fragment then develops into a new organism. Example: Spirogyra. And the last is vegetative propagation. It is seen in plants. Here, the new species are formed from vegetative parts of plants. Artificial vegetative propagation. A number of artificial methods are used to propagate plants in agriculture and horticulture. Some of these methods are layering, cutting, grafting, and tissue culture. Let us discuss about these methods. Layering. In this method, a lower branch of a plant is bent down close to the ground and covered with moist earth in such a way that its growing tip remains above the soil surface. After a few days, the covered portion of the stem usually produces adventitious roots. The rooted branch is then cut and grown as an independent plant. This method is used to propagate plants such as jasmine, and it occurs naturally in black raspberries. Cutting. For cutting, we have to select a healthy young branch with a few nodes and internodes. Then cut off the branch and remove most of its leaves. Now the cut end is stuck into some good moist soil. Look at the cutting after some days. We can see that it develops roots and grows into a new plant. This method is used to propagate plants like rose, sugarcane, and pineapple.